If you want to develop your child's mathematical thinking, they absolutely need to know how to solve Sudoku puzzles like this. Let's take a look together. Look, you're asked to fill the numbers 1 to 5 into this grid so that every row, every column, and every diagonal contains the numbers 1 to 5 without any repetition. But many children, when they see this, don't know how to solve it. Actually, for this kind of problem, once we find a breakthrough point, it becomes very easy. So how do we find that breakthrough point? You need to find the row or column that already has the most numbers filled in. Let's take a closer look. Look, in this column, 4 out of 5 numbers have already been given to you. 1, 2, 3, and 4 are all there. So only one number is missing. So which number can it be? In this box, the only number we can fill in is 5. See, by doing this, we've completed this column. Now, let's continue and fill in the next part. Let's see if we can fill in the numbers on this diagonal line. On this diagonal, we already have 1 and 2. So the missing numbers are 3, 4, and 5. So in these 3 boxes, you need to fill in 3, 4, and 5. But which number should go where? Look, can we fill in 4 or 5 in this box? Is that possible? Count and see. This column already has a 4 and a 5, so we can't put 4 or 5 here. So which number can we put? Right, the only number we can put here is 3. So the remaining 4 and 5 have to go in these 2 boxes, right? Now, let's see if we can put 5 here. That doesn't work either because there's already a 5 in this row. So the only number we can put in this box is 4. So the remaining 5 can only go here. Look, we've completed this diagonal as well. Now let's keep going and take a look at this diagonal. Can we complete the other diagonal? There are 3 numbers, 1, 3, and 5, so we're missing 2 and 4. Let's check each box one by one. Can we put a 2 in this first box? No, we can't. There's already a 2 in this row, so the only number we can put here is 4. So where does the 2 go? It can only go here, right? Look, we've completed both diagonals. Now, let's continue and finish the rest one by one. Let's just pick one at random. Let's look at the very bottom row. We have 3, 4, and 5, so we're missing 1 and 2. Now, can we put a 1 here? There's already a 1 in this column, so we can't. The only number we can put here is 2, and the remaining 1 can only go here. Looking up in the second to last row, we have 1, 4, and 5, so we're missing 2 and 3. Let's keep looking. So can we put a 2 here? There's already a 2 in this column, so we can't. The only number we can put here is 3. So where do we put the 2? It can only go here. All right, we've completed this row as well. Continuing upward, in the row above, we already have 1, 2, and 4. So we're missing 3 and 5. Let's take another look. Can we put a 5 here? You definitely can't put a 5 here because there's already a 5 in this column. So the only number you can put here is 3. As for the remaining 5, you can only put it here. Now, as we keep going, it gets easier and easier because more and more numbers have been filled in. Look, let's check this column. In this column, there's only one number missing. Which one is it? We have 2, 3, 4, and 5, so the missing one is 1. Just fill in a 1. Now look at this column. It has 1, 2, 4, and 5, so the missing number is 3. Let's look again. In this column, is there also just one number missing? Which one is it? 2, 3, 4, and 5 are there, so the missing one is 1. All right, now look at the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we fill in 5 in this box. In the second row, we have 1, 2, 3, and 5, so we fill in 4 in this box. See, in this way, we've easily completed this Sudoku puzzle. Have you learned it?